This recipe is my every morning go-to drink. I am a coffee girl, and until I have my coffee first thing in the morning, I'm not the person you want to talk to. I love, love, love this drink. This is the chocolate drink mix. Pour it into a blender. To that, I add just cinnamon. I like it. Ginger, because I have a compromised immune system, and ginger is incredible for your immune system. So I add a little ginger. And I'm making Mexican hot chocolate. It tends to have just a touch of cayenne in it to give it that little spice. So be careful when you add this. Make sure it's got little holes. One shape. Too much, a little too spicy. I really, 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 really love the flavor of the caramel when it's mixed with the chocolate and the coffee. So I add just a little bit of the Walden Farms caramel syrup. I pulled out a little spinach here so you could see this. If you're going to have a day when you're not going to be able to get your salad at lunch, or you may not be able to get your vegetables, this is a great time. You can add this. It gives your coffee an extra creamy flavor, and it tastes delightful. You won't notice it. You can put it in the blender, and you're going to make sure that you put it on smoothie, which grounds it up just nicely so that there is no chunks of spinach in your drink, and it tastes incredible. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and add it. So I go in, I get a good handful of spinach, and I put it into the blender. And over the top of that, I pour my cup of coffee. I love just the smell of it. Put the top on. Lesson to learn. Make sure the top is really on it. Learned the hard way. Switch this over to smoothie and blend. This particular Vitamix is going to blend. It's going to judge the timing on it all by itself. You don't need to worry about it. If you have a regular blender, what you want to do is start small and then turn it up to full speed. It's going to go about a minute in order to get all the spinach done. Here we go. So this is Mexican hot chocolate. And when you enjoy it, you can enjoy it with decaf, you can enjoy it with regular caffeinated coffee, you can enjoy it with hot water. It's amazing. I'm a caffeinated coffee girl in the morning and a decaf girl in the afternoon.
What's really special about this, though, is say that you're super busy today, you don't have time to worry about getting your salad or your veggies for lunchtime. Your spinach is already in here. You don't have to worry about your lunch veggies. So you're starting your day with fiber, protein, it's warm, it's cozy, especially on these cold mornings like we're having right now, and it's fantastic. The flavor is amazing.
Amazing.
Loving my Mexican hot chocolate. Wow. And we could pair it with this,
which is the chocolate chip brownie made with the chocolate mug cake.
Chocolate caramel mug cake.
Chocolate caramel mug cake.
And let me tell you something. It smells amazing. So good. Yum.